What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play What Are You So Afraid Of by XXXTentacion. I wanted to start this video off by saying happy holidays to all of you, and thank you so much to everybody who's helped support the channel. I was really excited when X dropped this album because I knew a lot of you guys were going to want me to show you how to play the songs from the album, and I think I figured out almost all of them. So I'm going to be releasing a lot of videos over the next couple of days, hopefully covering this entire album. As always, if you're new here, please consider subscribing to the channel, and once you get done with the video, check the description below. I've left a link there for a free ebook for you guys called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Just a little gift I like to give away to everybody who comes to the channel and checks out the videos. It's great for all skill levels, especially for you beginners. So once you get done with the video, check the description below, go get your free ebook. For now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Alright guys, so for this song, you're starting out with the capo on your 3rd fret. And now the main formation that you're making here is an A formation. What you're going to want to do is put your ring finger on your 2nd fret on your B string and your middle finger on your 2nd fret on your G string. Eventually you'll have your index finger on your 2nd fret on your D string, but for now we're going to start here. And what you're going to do is you're going to pick your D string and your B string at the same time, and then your D string with your thumb and your G string with your ring finger. And then you're going to pick your G string with your middle finger. So it sounds like... Now every time you pick your G string, you're going to be picking your D string with your thumb. These two are going to always pick at the same time. And so it plays that first part twice, right? That's the first chord. Here it is again. See how I'm doing both my thumb and my ring finger at the same time on the D and B string. So like I said, that goes twice. Just now your next chord, you're gonna put your middle finger, you're gonna move it down 1 string to your D string on your 2nd fret. You're going to add that index finger on your 1st fret on your G string and leave your ring finger where it is. And you're doing the same thing with your picking. Your picking right here with your fingers doesn't change. Thumb on the D string, ring finger on the G string, middle finger on the ring finger on the B string, middle finger on the G string. Same picking pattern twice. Picking your thumb and ring finger at the same time, and then your middle finger. Now here's where you're going to play your full A. So put your middle finger back on the 2nd fret on your G string. Leave that ring finger right where it is. It stays there the whole time on the 2nd fret on the B string. Then add your index finger to the 2nd fret on the D string. But you're going to move your thumb down to your lowest string, your E, and that's what you're going to play instead of the D string. You're moving it down to the E string now. But you're playing it the same. You're still going to pick it at the same time as your ring finger on that B string, and you're still going to pick the G string with your middle finger. That goes 4 times, so this is the total it goes. And then you hit that's when you hit, with your index finger, you hit the D string that both index fingers are on. You hit that at the very last time. It sounds like this. And then it starts all over. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. If this video was helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And again, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Leave any questions or comments or concerns in the comment section below, along with any other songs that you guys want me to teach you. Don't forget to get your free ebook in the description below, and we'll see you guys in the next video.